Hello everyone, Chef Right here, and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And today we're going to be making these absolutely gorgeous homemade Funfetti cupcakes, and they're gonna whip up super fast. They're super easy to make and they literally impress any crowd. They're super easy to decorate and they're topped with the delicious whipped cream frosting. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with a cupcake batter, obviously. So in a large mixing bowl, combine some sugar along with some margarine, and you want to whip that up just until everything is looking super light and fluffy. It's really important to get this nice and fluffy so that you can get a light and fluffy cake, obviously. So it's really important that you give it a good mix. If you are doing this by hand, please apply as much strength as you can to get it as white as your hand can possibly go. Once it's all nice and creamed together, you're gonna crack in 2 large eggs and give us a really good mix, making sure you scrape down the sides so that you have everything fully incorporated. And once you've added in all of your eggs, you do wanna add in some vanilla essence. Here I'm doing about 1 teaspoon, along with 2 tablespoons of buttermilk or maziwa mala. That's just basically just take the milk, add a little bit of vinegar, and boom, maziwa mala. You could add vinegar or any lemon juice you have. It just works fine. And then add in, sift over your all-purpose flour along with 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give that a really good mix. Fold all of your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients until everything is almost fully incorporated. And then at this stage you can add in our sprinkles. You do want to toss your sprinkles in a little bit of all-purpose flour so they don't all sink to the bottom of your cupcake. So you have a top that's just white and the bottom that's full of sprinkles. You do not want that. So coat them in a little bit of flour and just wanna add them in and fold them in until everything is nice and incorporated. So next, you wanna take out your cupcake cases and line them with cupcake cases. God. And then you wanna gently spoon in your batter into each of the muffin cases. You can do about 1.5 tablespoons for each muffin case. Bake them at 165 degrees, fan assisted of course, for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until everything is fully baked through. And with the help of the fan, you'll obviously get a whiter top. Not racist or anything, but it is more visually appealing. Once they're done, take them out and then let them cool until they're nice and cool completely. Do not rush this step, otherwise if you do icing on top of really hot cupcakes, it will just melt off and it won't end up well. So just let it have its time to cool down. In the meantime, we can now start to make our whipped cream. So here I have about 50 grams of whipping cream powder along with 100 ml of cold water, and whip that together. If you do not have whipping cream powder, which I got at the supermarket by the way, it is a lot easier to use a normal whipped cream. Just do 150 ml of whipped cream. Add in some icing sugar and some vanilla and give everything a really good mix until it's all fully incorporated, and just let that chill. And then you can start to decorate these. So I just popped the frosting into a 2D tip and I just went ahead and did some nice rosettes over the top. You could do any design that you'd like or any designs you've seen on Pinterest or something, and they'll turn out just nice. Top up with some sprinkles and enjoy. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please tag me. I'll have my socials listed here. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday.